All right, let's dive in. Ever wished you could, I don't know, just take a PDF or an article and somehow magically turn it into a YouTube video? Like, really fast.
Yeah, the dream, right? Especially a short form video taking over everything.
Exactly. Well, what if I told you it's actually possible now? I mean, I just tested this tool.
Mm-hmm.
It's real, it's fast. Under 5 minutes for a video.
Okay, you've got my attention. What are we talking about here?
So that's our mission for this deep dive. We're going to explore this AI tool that promises exactly that. But, and this is crucial, there's a new twist. We need to figure out how to use it smartly, especially with some big platform changes happening.
Right, context is everything with these tools. So what's it called?
It's called Argil AI. And the basic idea is it takes a PDF, you feed it in, and boom, it spits out a 90-second video.
A 90-second video,
Yeah.
automatically generated from a PDF. That's ambitious.
It sounds it, doesn't it? But I actually tried it yesterday. I took one of my AI newsletter PDFs, uploaded it to Argil.
How long did it really take?
Honestly, about 5 minutes. And, I mean, the whole thing, script, visuals, captions, it was just ready to upload. It felt kind of insane.
Wow. 5 minutes is incredibly fast. What does it actually do with the PDF? How does it know what to pick?
That was my first question, too. Like, is this just grabbing random sentences?
Yeah, is it just like stringing things together? Or is there some intelligence behind it?
Well, that's the interesting part. It seems to recognize the main talking points. You don't have to highlight anything or edit the PDF first.
So it analyzes the text itself.
Yeah, pulls out what it thinks are the key ideas, then it automatically finds stock visuals, adds some animated transitions, makes it look like a proper video.
And captions too, you said?
Captions too, match the content. The final thing is this 90-second clip. Perfect for, like, shorts, reels, even just a quick standard YouTube upload.
Okay, I can see the appeal. It's basically automating a ton of tedious work. Researcher, scriptwriter, basic editor, all in one go.
Totally. But, my immediate reaction after the surprise was, okay, is this too easy? Like, what are the limits? Did you find any, when you looked into it, maybe certain PDFs it struggles with?
That's a really good point. So yeah, it's designed to pull those key points automatically. Stock visuals, transitions, captions, all synced up. Great for shorts, reels, the standard YouTube stuff. But to your question, I did notice if the PDF is super dense or maybe really abstract, sometimes the key points it grabs aren't
Can't capture the nuance.
Exactly. It might miss the deeper meaning. It's fantastic for clear, factual information, but for something needing, subjective interpretation, it still benefits from a quick human review.
Right. So maybe not ideal for turning like a dense philosophy paper into a TikTok.
Probably not without some serious human oversight, but for summarizing articles, reports, newsletters, it's pretty impressive.
Okay, so beyond just being fast,
Mhm.
why is this kind of tool so important now? What's the bigger picture here?
Well, look around, right? We're absolutely drowning in content. And those short vertical videos, they're addictive. They're literally designed to grab your attention in seconds.
Yeah, the algorithms just keep feeding you more and more.
And as a creator, you feel that pressure, don't you, to constantly feed the machine. Manual production just can't keep up with that demand. It's exhausting.
You kidding? You spend hours editing one short video,
Yeah.
and you need to post, like daily sometimes.
Exactly. So a tool like Argil potentially solves that massive bottleneck. It lets you create unique videos packed with value, hopefully in minutes.
Which means creators can actually scale their output, maybe post consistently every week without burning out completely. I know people are already jumping on
It
this.
feels like a necessary adaptation, almost, but, and this is the big but, there's something really crucial happening that changes how you should use these tools.
Ah, okay. I sensed there was a catch coming. What is it?
YouTube. They're bringing in new guidelines starting July 15th, specifically targeting AI-generated content, particularly the generic template-style stuff.
Oh, interesting. So you can't just like generate a video in Argil and hit upload anymore. What does that actually mean for creators?
Pretty much, yeah. It signals that just pasting and uploading raw AI output, that's not going to cut it. Your video needs transformation.
Transformation, what does that entail?
It means adding your own perspective, fresh insight, your commentary, your voice, adding some kind of framing around the AI-generated part.
So Argil gives you the foundation, the base.
Exactly. It provides the base, but you absolutely have to add your own twist, your personality, your analysis. Otherwise, you risk falling foul of these new YouTube rules.
Right. YouTube wants to see that you've added value, not just pushed a button. They want the human element.
Precisely. It's almost like the better AI gets at the mechanics, the more valuable our uniquely human input becomes.
Yeah.
Your specific angle, your stories, your, I don't know, your little quirks. That's the differentiator.
And that makes a lot of sense.
Mm.
So, okay, if you want to use this amazing speed advantage but stay compliant and actually make good content, how are the smart creators doing it? What's the process?
There seems to be a smart sort of four-step approach emerging.
Okay, lay it on me.
Step 1. Upload your source, the PDF or article, into Argil. Let it do its initial magic.
Standard first step. Got it.
Step 2. Edit the voiceover. This is crucial. Don't just use the generic AI voice. Make it sound like you. Maybe re-record bits, tweak the tone, inject your personality.
Right, authenticity in the voice. Makes sense.
Step 3, add personal commentary, especially right at the beginning, like a quick intro from you, framing the topic, giving your take before the main AI-generated content kicks in. Hook people with you.
Okay, so personalize the start, personalize the voice.
Yeah. And finally, step 4, export it, but then optimize it properly. Strong hook in the description, relevant hashtags, make sure it actually finds its audience. Don't just dump it online.
So upload, edit the voice, add your commentary up front, then export and optimize.
That's the framework. It uses the AI for speed, but layers your unique value on top.
And that approach presumably ticks all the boxes for the new YouTube guidelines.
It should, because you're not just passing off raw AI output, you're transforming it, adding genuine value, using it as a tool, not a crutch. It respects the platform and the audience.
Okay, that feels much more robust. You get the efficiency and the authenticity.
Exactly. It lets you create those highly clickable videos efficiently, but in a way that's still valuable and, well, human.
So wrapping this up then, the main takeaway seems clear. If you're looking to grow faster, especially with short-form video, without spending endless hours filming and editing, this AI shortcut, Argil, is genuinely powerful.
It really is a potential game changer for workflow.
But you can't skip the human part. It's Argil plus your voice, plus your unique perspective on the information. That's what makes the videos truly stand out and work long term.
That combination is key. The tech is the accelerator, you're still the driver.
Which leaves us with a final thought to maybe chew on. In this age where AI can automate so much, even creative tasks, how did that change what it even means to be a creator?
Yeah, and maybe more personally for listeners, how can your specific viewpoint, your unique take, keep adding that essential value when the basic information is so easily automated and available? What's your indispensable contribution?
Something to think about.